Okay guys, Bob Pruitt, Pruitt Carpet Care, and in Florida currently. I'll be in Texas in a month. Anyway, Mark Saiger sent me a gallon of his new product called Eloquence, and I want to basically talk about that for a second, and I'll turn this around and do that. Properties, and you don't really know, like in this case, these chairs are fairly recent. Everything else in the house is very old, but it's quite dirty. It's in this. It's all put together in such a way that I can't take a piece and I can't test it. So because I can't test it, what I am going to do is assume it's a natural fabric, even though it may not be, but it might be. And it really matters how you clean something. You're not going to get in trouble if you treat everything like a natural fiber, but if you start spraying high pH chemicals on naturals, you're gonna own them. You're gonna buy them. So better to be somebody to use Eloquence when you're not sure. Like in this case, you can't unzip a pillow and cut a little piece off and burn it and test it and know for sure what you have. So when you don't know what you have, it's kind of nice to have something that you know will get you in trouble. Eloquence is that kind of product. It's wool safe and all that. So crease spray, or Eloquence crease spray, and I'm very happy with how this came out. I don't think at this point it is a natural fiber, but in any case, it looks very nice, and Mark made a good product, which we've tested in other places as well, and good product.